Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and do you want to know the secret to beautiful butcher block countertops? Well, it's this stuff right here. This is half and half by the Real Milk Paint Company. Why is it half and half? Well, it has already combined the tung oil and the solvent for you in perfect proportions. So as soon as you get this bottle, you are ready to pour it out on your counter and go. I am a beginner when it comes to butcher block. This is my very first time having it. I am not a woodworker, so I really don't know what I'm doing. So having something like this that is simple and easy to use was perfect for me, a beginner. It does take several coats of half and half when you're first starting out. I think I did a total of 4 coats on our countertops, and then I've done some touch-up coats since then because I didn't use quite enough in the beginning. This is 32 ounces, and I was able to do all my countertops and still have some left over, which means I can do touch-ups in the future if needed. I definitely recommend having good ventilation in the area that you're using this. The citrus solvent is a very strong smell. It smells like you're in the middle of an orange grove, but it is intense. So open up some windows, get a fan going, and get to work. If you're new to woodworking or you've got butcher block countertops and you don't really know what you're doing, then this is definitely a great product that pretty much does everything for you. I'm so happy with how my counters have turned out and how they're holding up even after several months of wear and tear. And that's my point of view.